She needs to come back. Come on.
Go do it.
You need to come back the other way. Don't get me in it.
Oh, well, you need to know that someone's actually doing it. If she really hated it, then she would, get up and run away, but she loves it.
It's all jiggled.
Hey? Oh, shit, this is gold. Look how far she goes.
Good girl.